and modes of nature, let's summon a spirit soul and see how he can be influenced. O spirit soul, I summon to appear here. This material world is your playground. Oh, what does the soul wants? He wants to be happy. He wants to enjoy and exploit this material world. But he is completely unaware that he will be controlled and conditioned by these material modes in every step of the way. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that sometimes the soul becomes conditioned and prominent by the mode of passion and defeats the goodness and ignorance. Sometimes the soul becomes defeated by mode of goodness and overpowers the passion and ignorance. And sometimes the soul gets prominent by the mode of ignorance and defeats the ignorance and the passion. And Krishna also says about the mode of goodness. This mode of goodness, this is the pure of all than the others and is illuminating. And one in this situated in this mode develops knowledge. But when situated in this knowledge, one can become very happy and contented and complacent due to the concept of happiness.
Namaste, Spirit Soul.
Namaste.
Come, let's go for a stroll on the countryside. Look how peaceful it is. Clear skies. Isn't it amazing to be
Yeah.
away from the agitating elements of the city?
Beautiful place, so peaceful.
Look, I got us some healthy picnic lunch.
Wow.
Please, accept. Look, I got us some fresh spring water.
Nice. This place is so beautiful, so peaceful. I feel like staying here all my life. See the blue skies, the greenery. This is what life is meant for. Wow.
Here, have some organic fruit, Spirit Soul.
Thank you.
When one is in mode of passion, one develops great attachment,
Delicious.
an intense desire, an intense endeavor to do things.
Spirit Soul! What are you doing, man? Outside here working on your tent? My name is the Honey, Sonny. I bet you forgot about Priyanka, don't you? Blushing, blushing. You're supposed to take her to Vegas this weekend. You know, Vegas, lose all your money, Vegas. You really think she loves you when you're living somewhere under a tree? Her father owns half of West Side. You're gonna go make some bucks, Chuck. You're gonna go make some money. Paisa, paisa. Cash it to aise. You'll go far. And you'll become a big star. Maybe get yourself a great day. Maybe own a private plane. No pain, no gain. You'll be rich. You'll reach the top. Just 1 inch. One job in Apple, Amazon. You just don't need to stop. Can't get enough. Hey, I got you something. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
When soul is in mode of ignorance, he develops madness, inertia, illusion, and complete darkness.
Slow down, Spirit Soul. Slow down, slow down. There is no need to work so hard, man. You're going to burn yourself out. Sit down, sit down. Just relax. I'm going to give you something very good today. A very good refreshment. Here you go. I see that you're already feeling good, aren't you? Let me tell you something about this life. All you have to do is just relax. Don't worry, because the more you get into these companies, Facebook, Apple, Google, they'll stress you out. You'll be completely under stress. Yes, have more, drink more, drink more. Yeah, give it to me. I need to drink too, thank you. Think about your future, spirit soul. Picture yourself out there in Bahamas, taking a little vacation, surrounded by beautiful girls. Woohoo! They will love you, baby. You'll be rich. Just work hard. One day you'll be rich, rich man. In 20 years, you'll have that. Your dream Tesla, driving you in autopilot mode. Your 1,000 acres farmhouse. Girls waiting for you at the pool, man. Or maybe you standing in the balcony of your Miami penthouse with your rich friends. 36 stories up in the sky. Quit that job, man. Quit that job. What is the use of this job? Sit down. I told you, what is the use of working like this, like an ass? What will you get out of this? It's just increasing your stress. All I'm telling you is, just think about this. Can you do the same struggle, the same hard work for the next 30 years of your life? Can you? No. Then why do that? Just relax, lie down, fall asleep, just relax. Don't worry about anything. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, quit that lousy job. Quit it, quit it. Just chill with me and you'll never have to work again ever in your life. Get up, spirit soul! Lots of work to do. Get on that freeway, drive for an hour. Time is money and money is power. Drive, drive, drive. Your son, he's gonna go to that college at IIT, Howard, or NYU. Your wife, she needs the Armani Gucci handbag. You keep working, you can't retire. All you have to do is acquire, Orluto. Stop it, stop it. What are you doing? You're just wasting your life working so hard. Sit down. I'm going to give you another refreshment. Something even better than last time. Look at this. Here, taste this. Have fun. I see that you're enjoying. This is not it. Give me that back. This is not it. You know, I have 6-pack in the fridge. If that is not enough, we can play video games all day. If that is not enough, we can watch TV and movies all day. Okay? If you chill with me, we can pull the curtain of our house down and shut the world outside completely away from us. Enjoy. Spirit soul, what are you doing? This stuff is going to poison your body. And you, ignorance, when was the last time you took a bath? What day is it today? Monday? Tuesday? I don't know. I don't care. Look, soul, you should really give up this intoxications. This is very bad for you.
But this ignorance says me that intoxication is a gift of nature.
That is not true. There are plants, minerals, and resources in nature, and all of them have their purpose. But human life is meant for a higher purpose. One must enlighten oneself. The intoxications simply muddle the mind and weaken the body and the senses.
I think you're right, goodness.
Thank goodness. And you must also give up eating animals.
Come on, why that now?
Well, to be happy,
one must learn to live in harmony with the nature and develop a pure heart. The cruelty of animal slaughter simply hardens the heart more and more. Spirit soul.
Thank you, goodness. When I'm with you, I feel like I want to have a simple living, a holistic living. Thank you so much. I feel like I want to learn this knowledge and advance myself in this knowledge.
It is only under my influence that you can see things as they are. These you poor fellows, ignorance and passion, you will not gain any enlightenment by associating with them. There's something I would like you to read. In this book, it talks about how to awaken your intelligence to understand the different modes and the different activities which are influenced by these modes, by awakening your intelligence. You must read it very carefully so that you are not overcome by the tricks of passion and ignorance.
Wow, the Bhagavad Gita as it is. Let's see what's inside this. 1. In mode of ignorance, wants to act whimsically without any purpose. Though he has capacity to work, he makes no endeavor. Ignorance. That sounds like me sometimes. Someone in mode of passion is never satisfied with the position that he is. And he seeks to elevate himself to higher and higher position. I think I have already experienced that feeling sometimes. So that's passion. Wow. He hankers for more and more sense gratification. So that's passion and this ignorance. Let's see what the book says further. Wow, one in mode of goodness always aspires for intellectual pursuit. He sees things as they are. Thank you, goodness, for this book.
You see, by my association, you can enlighten yourself in knowledge and gain all the good things in life.
Hey, wait a second. It says that if I were to be serious, I have to transcend the modes because I shouldn't be dictated by my mind and body. That means I'm not the body. Wow. So I'm not the body, then what am I? Wow. Here it says by performing devotional service, one's past karma is destroyed and no new reactions are created. This is something nice. Not bound to the material world, one travels to the spiritual world. Wow. There's something called spiritual world. Thank you, goodness. By your help, I was able to avoid these abominable activities that these modes of ignorance and passion were influencing me. Thank you so much. But how do I transcend the modes? Oh, it said here, one can quickly transcend the modes of nature by chanting the holy names of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare